welcome back to Kameru, a channel where we'll explore art. So today I am going to use super clay. Everyone is using it, so I thought that even I should try my hands on it. I got it for 120 rupees and it comes with 12 packets of clay. Along with these three cute tools. Oh my god, look at the variety of colors this pack has. Amazed.
तेरे रंग रंग तेरे रंग रंग मन महकेगा.
So without wasting any moment, let's get started. At first, let me show you all the texture. काफी ज़्यादा अलग texture है यार इस clay का. It is so light and soft. So because I am using this for the very first time, I'll start with something simple. Like a ball. Yeah, trust me guys, ये clay bounce भी होता है. Cool, right? So practice session का first product ready है. Well, leaving the soft and light texture of clay aside, this clay is a bit sticky and gooey. You understand what I mean, right? So, after this simple ball making is done, I am going to see how this clay feels after drying. And I am surprised. Yes, ये clay 10 minutes में dry हो जाता है यार. And the final result is so lightweight. Cool. Okay, so बहुत हो गए practice sessions. Now let's move towards creating some cute little stuff. Trust me, watch till the end and I'll make and show you cute stuffs till the end. For our first one. Well, you have to guess what I'm making. I think you have already guessed it. Like looking at the colors and all. I'm making Mickey Mouse here.
Aww.
Children's Day is coming, and what else can be the best video idea to create anything else other than cartoon characters? I am so excited for this. So breaking Mickey into parts, molding each of them, that is his head, body, shoes, ears individually, and then assembling them together. This is so easy to create and also the clay sticks by itself. Whoa! Well, slowly adding his face features, those yellow shoes, and then assembling the head to its body.
Aww, so cute.
I know, right? Okay, so moving towards our second piece. So creating some of my favorite cartoons here. I loved like each and every one of the cartoon that I watched. So obviously, एक ही वीडियो में थोड़े ना सारे बना सकती हूँ. So jotted down below some few of them, my fab ones today. Well, about this, I just felt this was the most cutest cartoon I've ever watched. I guess you have understood till now. From the colors I'm using, blue for the dress depicting water or bubbles, big beautiful sparkle, bubble like eyes. Well, yeah, bubbles from Powerpuff Girls. Trust me, guys, this clay is so amazing. I am able to make these in like no time. Well, again, for this one, cutting her body elements into small individual parts and then assembling them together at the end. Well, ये clay इतना lightweight है कि you can even make a keychain just like this. So adorable, isn't it? Well, I am not going to stop on two. So for the third one, I went with making Peppa Pig. Yeah, creating his pink pig hair and then his red body, adding his cute little hands with three tiny fingers, his little legs, a spiral like tail, and then a blush, cartoony eyes, and a big red smile. And there it is. Our Peppa Pig is ready. Oh God, these goodies are so best for gifting to a child on Children's Day along with a card or something.
Love it.
And then finally, now that we have made Mickey Mouse, how can we forget Minnie Mouse? So creating her by following the same easy steps I followed while making our Miska Muska Mickey Mouse. Just an addition, I'll add a cute pink bow to her. How can we forget that? So I love the results of what I made today. I know many of you will be disappointed for not taking any other cartoon characters like Tom and Jerry or Pikachu or Shin-chan or any other. But don't worry, I will come up with them as well. And for that, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for new video notifications. Hit the like button if you love my today's video, share it with your friends and family, and comment down below your 3 most favorite cartoon characters you loved watching while growing up. Happy Children's Day to all the little ones and to even the little child hidden inside everyone. Thank you for watching till the end and bye bye.